This is Sky. Hello. Bringing you this new acrobatics challenge. Are you ready?
Because I definitely am not.
Alrighty then, let's warm up. So we go up with the leg and up with the other. I'm not fit enough for this.
Hey guys, look at that Sky. Not that one, other one. She thinks she can do acrobatics challenge? Let's show her a real challenge. Watch this.
And 2, and 3.
Why are you so heavy?
Where are you taking me? What was that?
Oh, come on, Sky. It wasn't bad.
Put a shirt on.
Fine. Look at this.
Are you trying to kill me?
No, just try them. Try it. Put them on.
What is this?
Just try this, please, Sky.
Let's see. We have a question.
She has a question.
I have a question. Flex your muscle.
Flex my muscle? I have no...
Flex your muscle. We would like you to write in the comment section below who has the biggest muscle. Yeah?
Put your glasses on, Sky.
Welcome to the challenge. Position. Handstand. Lock legs behind shoulders. Pull up and grab the neck. Drop backwards. Release the neck. Let's see you try.
You ready?
Yes, let's go. Okay, so I hope you can stand on your arms,
You know what?
hands.
You know what? No, let me just say something. I am an expert.
So the beginning is you need to just go up on your hands. So show us how we can do it, Sky. Come on, come on.
I'm gonna show you how to do a handstand.
No, we can do it immediately. Look at this, first try.
First try.
First try, look at this. We're going for the first try. Oh.
No, come a little bit more front.
No struggles.
No,
No
nothing.
struggles, no nothing. Yes, let's go.
Go. Whoa, easy.
Wait. No, you don't pull me. No, you don't. You don't pull me.
Boom, first try. Cut two.
Take a deep breath. We've lost him completely. I'm gonna do it.
Go on.
But don't pull me. Let me come up with my abdomen.
Abdomen.
She's dominant, Sky.
Stay. Don't let me. Let me do my thing.
Let's see what you got. Look at her trying. Look at her trying. Don't hold to me, don't hold. Go with your abs.
Wait. Go.
Easy.
Go. Drop. Yeah!
Level up.
Yeah, but wait, help me.
So we level up.
It went well.
Send us the sign, future people, from the sky. You know what I mean? From the sky. Yay! Ho. Okay.
And we're ready for the next challenge. Let's go.
Let's go back to the future.
Greetings once more. Kneel on the ground. Connect left arm to left heel. Arm passes through loop. Connect right arm to right heel. Other arm passes through. Adjust position. Lift backpack off the floor. Simple. Now you try.
Looks easy. Come on. Let's go.
It's always the same thing. It always looks easy and one of us gets hurt.
You just need to get on your knees, connect your hands back and there.
Should have done my stretches.
Come on. Nice. Oh.
I love this challenge.
Come on.
It's always...
You good? You have the balance in here, see?
No.
Oh, it's pretty good. Like, I can back and forth, like, whoa. It's like a swing, you know?
I feel used.
I don't want to do this anymore.
I'm so glad you're not a singer in real life.
Something like this, I guess. Like one arm in, second arm in. You ready to skyrocket, Sky?
Yes, let's go.
Skyrocket.
I'm done. Right.
Okay.
Good. I'm sorry, I'm
Okay.
sorry. Last time.
Entering the sun mode.
Enter the sun mode, and he falls. And he falls. All right, ready?
Oh, no, I'm falling. Okay, ready?
Okay, yes.
What are you doing? You need to take the other one. Ready? No chance.
No.
Oh, my mouth. What are you doing?
You know what?
Okay. Wait. I have it. I have it. Let's go.
All right.
Come on.
Well, I think.
Oh, I have idea. It will help for you. Perfect.
Okay, go. I feel.
Oh, come on.
I think we can let this challenge just half a win.
No, I did it, so it's like a win.
It's half a win.
1 point, Leo.
And a broken table.
Leo 1.
We're
Sky
in this
0.
together.
Are you excited for the next one, Sky?
Again, it's wrong hair, but let's go.
Hello there. Jump on shoulder. Release the leg. Arms hook under knees. Head goes under the legs. Lock hands. Lower the body. Bring the legs to thighs. Pull up. Time for a workout. Go, humans.
Lovely.
Shall we?
Okay, looks easy.
What's the worst that can happen?
You're the monkey, so this is for you.
Do you want a banana?
No.
It's full of
Potassium.
potassium. Bananas, kids. So I'm gonna be doing a handstand with the banana in my mouth.
Ready to level up?
Don't try this at home.
Oh, the banana's gonna come out my nose.
Come on, let's do it. First try, no challenge at all.
Okay, fine. I need you to be here. I feel safer if you're closer to me.
That's actually a pretty common thing.
The ego on this boy.
Okay, go.
Yeah. And then let me wobble down.
No, just
Wait, no. Oh, nice.
one
Yeah.
leg in.
Nice.
other arm in,
Now what?
go inside.
No, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, look at me.
So I'll take one arm.
My brain moved.
Okay.
And then the other one. And then this has to go.
Inside the leg.
Wait,
Put the leg inside.
Nice.
Come on.
Yep.
Easy.
Oh my, we're doing it.
The other one. First try. Yeah.
We did it first try, huh? I'm just gonna hold on.
Easy.
Well,
Abs challenge. Mission accomplished.
wow, that was easy actually. I can't feel my brain though. Too easy for us, huh?
Too easy for
Look
us,
at
huh?
us.
All right, guys. Are you ready for the next one, Sky?
I do not have a choice.
So funny. Going.
Hello, Earthlings. Get into position. Lie down. Place hands on knees. Bend knees in a 90-degree angle and simply crawl like this. Your turn. Go.
Hey, look at the guy there. You see the guy? What is he doing?
Okay, let's go.
Easy.
What's the worst that can happen? Lie down.
Lie down.
Lie down. Right, how hard this? Yeah. And I go.
You want me to hold you here? Take it. Wow, bend your knees.
Wait.
I'll take it from your knees.
Wait. We go this one first. Did you put something?
I just felt your arm, Sky's arm sliding down. Try number 2.
2000.
No, it's first try.
It's not. Put your knees down.
It's first.
Okay, up. You still have sunscreen.
No, you have sunscreen on your legs.
We're doing it.
Easy. Let's go. Whoa.
I'm sliding.
Wait,
I'm
it's okay. It's a new one.
Wait, go up. Stay.
Yeah. It's too easy for us.
I can see my house from here.
Future send us more challenge.
Okay,
We did it. We need to tell them that we did it.
we communicate with them?
Yeah, we get the levels up.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. I'll talk with them, just stay here.
Okay, yeah, just do your thing then.
Okay.
What do we make the cutest couple? Look at us. Oh, but you have to look at me and pose. Picture frame. Yeah, sorry.
You ready?
Ready.
Let's go.
Hi there. Face each other. Get into squat position. Grab hands. Place feet on thighs. Release left foot. Hook behind the neck. Create tension with arms. Lean back. Release right arm. There you have it. Space flag. Go to the duck.
Oh no.
Space flag?
Well.
Well.
Looks easy.
Why everything looks easy to me?
Yes.
Wait, before we start. Let's check the weight. Sorry. I know it's not polite, but please step on a scale, Sky.
That's rude. I just ate lunch.
Okay.
This is completely wrong, by the way.
That shows 140 pounds. And I have these ones for you before we start. No problem. Safety first.
Look at me and my flexibility.
Wow. Okay, just one.
Just. I look great, don't I?
So, wait. We are the flag now?
Yeah.
Okay.
We go da da da.
Wait, again.
Oh.
Sorry. No, harder. No. Wait. Oh, that's the sound we're looking for.
Okay, let's go. The other way. No. Ready?
Yeah, I was born ready. Like, what are you doing? Don't jump. You need to step, like, slowly.
trying.
You didn't even. Come on.
Go up.
Go up.
We
Go.
need to create tension. Tension.
I am, like, I'm pulling. Literally, I'm pulling here. She's
pull
like,
me.
go up. Don't be scared. Put one leg here, another leg here.
Ah, it's both of them.
Yeah.
I sounded
I
like.
told you it's easy. Like a whale. What is wrong?
The struggle is real, huh?
Okay, I'll go like this if you want more.
Scott lower.
You need to get one leg over. Get the one leg over.
I'm trying.
I'm slipping a bit.
We're slipping.
We have a sunscreen on our hands and it's very slippery.
I'm slipping!
First try.
You know what? Let's try it the other way around then. For no reason. Go. I'm gonna get it.
Let's wipe our hands.
Sunscreen everywhere. Go.
Wait. Stay. I'm gonna die, guys. Remember me? Go. The sound. Doing for my male audience. Yeah.
1, 2.
3, go, challenge! You see the weight, puppet? I need help. Let's create tension, as you said. You feeling it?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going up. I don't feel it at all, but I trust faith in Sky. I stepped in a poop. I stepped into a poop, guys. Wanna smell it?
No!
Okay.
Let's switch.
Try number 13. We're switching again.
Pros apparently.
I am.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm going up.
Easy, you see? Now just get the leg and lay down. Get
Wait,
the leg.
I need to create the tension. Where's my abs for this?
What is she trying to do now? It's not that tricky. What are we doing? It's like... Helicopter. Mission accomplished.
Okay, so
Future people.
let's just establish that this one is a maybe. It's a kind of. So yeah, we tried. You know, sometimes it doesn't work out. But the important thing is that we had fun trying not to kill ourselves. But yeah, try it at home, tell us how it goes, and see you in the next challenge.
Did the humans do well? Let us know in the comment section below.
Which one was your favorite?
Let us know.
I'm like an alien.